Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today's video about 35-inch 4K curved SCEPTRE display. This one is 100 Hertz. And this video we will open box and take a look about some functions for the physical condition and what is good or what is bad about it. I bought the display for my MacBook because I'm going to use for a MacBook, and sometime when I was editing my videos it doesn't show me proper timeline. I have to work a lot, so I decided to buy and look pretty. I'm investing little in my office, so one day I will be having my dream office. So now let's start video and we will open box and test. So now I'm in my office. I have a setup already my display, and this side if you see the little one like 21-inch display, this one is from the desktop. I have a desktop PC just in case I need to use desktop. I will use this one. Then I have a MacBook. I'm connected the display for MacBook. So basically my plan was to I'm gonna put my MacBook on side. I'm gonna use only the display. Then I have a wireless keyboard and a mouse. I'm gonna connect with the MacBook. That's the way I'm gonna use it. Now let's look a little bit more close to the display. We are just only focusing on the display. There's a still film on the front, but still you can see really nice colors. We'll talk about more about it. There's some buttons on the bottom, menu, then volume up and low or arrow, go to the menus, navigate, then exit, turn power on and off. On the back side, it's not really thick. You have a little stand over here. You can hang anything. I hang the wire over here, the extra wire. It also convert in Visa. We talk about it. There's a couple lights I turned off. You can turn on and off from here. It also have a small speakers inside. You can increase and decrease volume. You can use a HDMI cable will transfer audio signal too. Other than it looks pretty nice. So now we can peel. It says peel from here. Let's see. You can just see the real color. That's the way I took the film out from it. And there's also a little sticker to peel. You don't need that sticker. We're gonna remove that one too. So now that's we have a color I'm using as the external screen right now. We can also mirror whatever we want. So here we go. I'm using for Filmora. Now I will be able to see all my editing whatever call that timeline. Before in my MacBook I wasn't able to see, and that's the way I can also save my MacBook to be scratching out on anything. I will put my MacBook on side. Everything work fine. I pretty much like this screen, but only one thing I haven't noticed, which one I don't like it, and I want to just mention, like say my table, if you will see, I have a pretty much clean. I have already wire management. I will make another video how to manage your wire really cheap, but I just want to maintain what happened. So at this screen, the wire, all the power or display wires goes here, really back here straight. They come down. You really cannot do much. Like you will see those wiring. I don't know it's good or not. Mostly computer have it like that. I have this one too, but here if you see I can move wiring on the back side, but here I cannot because we're using like a thick cable connected to the PC for power, and also thick for HDMI and the DPI. So it's really hard for me to hide those wires, but I will find something. I will manage. I have to hide those wires too because I'm still setting up. So far this display worked good for me. Is in price. So as we talk about it, I have spent about like $416 plus $416 everything with the tax. It got delivered to my house from Amazon. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.